Hey there everyone, an old friend here. So in this video we're going to talk about another simulator based or said to be a crypto mining simulator website in which you can earn by completing or said to be by buying the miners with the help of crypto. So this website, according to what I know, this is not for free for now, and if any concept there about F2P player, I will make sure to provide video on it later on. So for now, so first thing first, we are on the Bitminer website. So I will provide you a walkthrough on this website. So scroll down a little bit here. As you can see here, only 1800 users registered here. I'm seeing this number from like one day, still 1800. So some users are joining, but this 1800 number is outdated. So scroll down a little bit here. According to games, there is no games in this website, so you just need to buy packs or said to be miners and earn MBTC, and I will tell you about those things after a few minutes. So scroll down a little bit here. As you can see here, there are different types of packs: miner pack, farm pack, node, and script. So for now, only miner pack available in the website, and farm pack soon available. So scroll again, and here you can see there are three rarity of the miners: common, rare, epic, and legend. So or you can say 8-bit miner, 16-bit miner, 32-bit miner, and 64-bit miner. And you can see here MBTC written here, MXMR, MLTC, and MDoge. So these are the four currency you can mine in the website. So MBTC available in all the rarities, MXMR available in all rarities. So you can buy, you can get anything randomly from here, but you can buy from marketplace. I will show you in few minutes. So scroll down here more. So here you can see how you can earn here. First you need to buy tokens. You going for miners, click on game shop, buy a pack, and you will get randomly these miners and start mining. So that's all for their homepage. So first thing, I will provide you how I think this project is legit. First thing, go ahead on play to earn, and this website is here. You can see this website or this project is overall number one on the play to earn website. Click on it, and you can see here this project is like new here, like 4 days ago listed on play to earn. Here you can see all, and then you can see only on 16 September this project is listed on the play to earn. First thing here, then Trustpilot. Here you can see no reviews here because for now this website is totally new. And check on their Twitter first. So this is their Twitter handle. As you can see here, this project is followed by Ronin, because this project is on Ronin chain, or we need to use Ronin wallet here. Click on here. This is the main handle of the Ronin network. Click on it, and you can see here Ronin network following the Bitminer project. So I think this project is legit. So for now, I'm going to provide you how you can get Ronin wallet. So here is the Ronin wallet extension. Go ahead, and I will provide this link in comment section and also in description. Go ahead and install the extension. After that, I will click on Firefox because I'm using the Firefox browser. Here you need to install the Ronin wallet. Create a new wallet, because sometimes some projects rug pull or something like that, but I think this project is legit. Still, I'm using new wallet here. After that, create a wallet and save your phrase key at safe place. So I will provide you a link. Click on that link in description or in comment section. Open this website, and you need to connect your Ronin wallet here. Click on it. Transaction appear or notification appear, and you need to enter your password and connect your Ronin wallet with website. So my wallet is connected here. So for now, at this stage, you are getting this MBTC, MLTC, MXMR, MDoge. These are the coins you can going to mine in this website. So every stat here you can read it here by yourself. So click on home button. Here you can see I have some NFTs which are mining for me. Here you can see pickaxe mining, and here are the claim button for now. How you can get these NFTs or cards, you can see click on shop, and here you can see different types of pack. Here you need to have 1000 MBTC to have this pack, 10,000 MLTC to have this pack. So they are approximately equivalent in value. So for now the best one is MDoge, because its price low, like $1 lower than the MBTC or overall others. So I use this one. So these packs are separate in each. So like if you buy MBTC miners or MBTC pack, you will get MBTC miner or MBTC NFT, and if you get MBTC NFT, you are going to mine MBTC, no other coin. So here click on home. So I open the MDoge pack. I get the MDoge common and MDoge epic NFT, and I am mining the MDoge. So in simple term, you can say that you are going to mine the that cryptocurrency which this NFT is based on. If you have MBTC, you are going to mine MBTC. If you have MLTC, you are going to mine MLTC. I have MDoge, so I am going to mine. I am mining for now MDoge. I can't mine other coins with these NFTs. So if MDoge price going down, I'm in loss. So that's the other thing here. So if we talk about RC roller coin, as I provide introduction video on this channel, you can watch that video. Also you can mine many coins from one miner, but in this website you are going to mine specific coin. Like I can only mine MDoge with with these NFTs. So I think I clarified the concept here. And then now I click on asset, and here you can see I have 2 common and 1 epic MDoge miner. Also I have 2 MDoge miner here. I click on craft. If I want, I can merge them or fuse them to get one rare miner. So these miners are 8-bit each. If I fuse them, they are about 16-bit. So at last click on deposit button or this wallet, and here you need to deposit. How you can deposit? First thing, you need to open your Ronin wallet here. So I open my Ronin wallet here. As you can see here, I have some RON here and MBTC and MDoge. So first thing, you need to have RON in your wallet. I withdraw from Binance. You can have from any other exchange which you are using. Withdraw your Ronin and deposit here in your Ronin wallet, and then you need to have some official links. Wait, I will provide you. So come to their Discord. Join the Discord first, and then here is this tab official links. Use these links only, because sometimes scammer gives you a same link with just a little bit changing, and you connect your wallet there and your funds are gone. So only use these official links. So here you can see some links, and even contract address are here about MBTC, MXMR, MLTC and MDoge. So first thing I will provide you, if you want to buy NFT straight from marketplace, you can have the marketplace. I will show you. So here you can see a Ronin market, and other one is OpenSea market here. So here you can see the miners listed straightforward here. Like I have these miners. One second here. So I have these miners here. I can sell these miners straight to Ronin market or OpenSea market at the given price or any price according to myself. So and you can see here you can get X Doge miner in $7.88 or 15.99 Ronin. As at the same time, if we check here M Doge, here you can see in 16 RON, so approximately same price. But sometimes you can get miner in cheap if you check both website, and you will get $1 less in the one of the website, and then go ahead and buy that miner from that particular website or marketplace. And here you can see, if you don't want to open these boxes, then you can come over here and buy it straightforward by using your Ronin. First thing, deposit Ronin from your Binance to your Ronin wallet, then come over here, log in with the help of your wallet, and then go ahead and buy these NFTs. Also, you can buy these pack from here. One important thing here, so this is the Genesis miner pack. You check their miner pack in on the website, but those are the normal miner pack. These Genesis pack, I think so for early user, I don't know. So this Genesis pack have higher chance to get higher rarity miners, but here is the drawback here. Like if I buy M Doge, I am going to get M Doge miner, but in Genesis pack you are going to get any random MBTC, MXMR, or any random pack, NFT. So this is the drawback, but still you are going to get you are going to have higher chance to get higher miner or higher rarity miner. So if you're going to if you are need to buy straight NFTs, go over here on the market, Ronin market, on OpenSea market, and purchase directly these NFTs and start mining. If not, if you're going to buy with MDoge, MLTC, I will show you. Wait, again go over to their official links and copy this link and open on the price. So here you can see the price of MBTC, and here click on trade, and you can have these two swaps. I used Katana. Click on Katana website. Here click on it, and here you need to connect your wallet here. First thing first, so my wallet is connected here. As you can see here, I have Ronin and MBTC. So I need to swap Ronin to MBTC first, then I can have MDoge, MLTC, because I can't directly buy or swap Ronin to MDoge. So first, like I'm going to buy for one Ronin. Here you can see the price. Click on swap, you get the transaction, and you can have your MBTC in your wallet. And then after that, click on this arrow button, and then click on this, and here you can type MDoge here, MDoge. So as you can see, MDoge appear here, but first go ahead in their official links and copy the contact address. Here you can see copy this contact address back, paste it here, and then click on it. Sometimes some scams or duplicate are over there, so don't do that. So simply, if I have 16 MBTC here, so I can swap 10. Click on it, approve the transaction in your wallet, and you can have the MBTC and MDoge in your wallet. After that, come over here, and you need to deposit again. Click on it, your wallet button here, then click on deposit. When you click on deposit, it shows the amount in which it shows the amount of MBTC or any coin. Like click on MDoge, one MDoge I have. Click on here and enter one, and click on confirm. You get the transaction. After transaction approval, you are going to get your MDoge in your game or in your website. After that, come over here in your shop and purchase any, like I purchase MDoge. Click on buy one, and you can have your miner, and then then you need to open that miner. Every interaction here, like click on buy, you need to approve the transaction. After that you need to open, if you need to open the miner pack, you need to approve the transaction for your wallet again. 0.01 $0.02 worth of transaction is here everywhere. After that you get the miners. Click on here, like here I have these miners. Then click on the home page and drag your miners here, like click on it. If I have miner, click that miner, again transaction appear, you need to approve the transaction, and then you can have your miners on your dashboard here. But here is the catch. Here you can see the power. I placed 3 miner here and my power is like 6 out of 10. So I think I can have two more miners, then I can place miners here. Then you need to upgrade, click on upgrade, and you need to have 5 Ronin in your Ronin wallet, and upgrade button, click on upgrade button, and you can have a transaction, approve the transaction, and your storage will be increased. So that's all for now. I think it's a long video, so click on again here. Here is the withdraw button. You can withdraw directly these to your wallet, but here you can see 5% withdrawal fees are here. So when I withdraw, I will make a video. If anything special occur here in this website or new events etc, I will definitely record and I will provide you a guide about those website on any update here. So for now, I will catch you in next video. Stay safe and happy.